Today, my topic for the presentation is the meaning and characteristics of research. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand meaning of research. Research is a systematic and methodical process of inquiry that aims to generate new knowledge, solve problems, answer questions, or test existing theories. It involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to draw valid and reliable conclusions. Here are the fundamental concepts associated with research. 1. Purpose. Research is conducted with a specific purpose or objective in mind. It seeks to address a research question or problem and contributes to the advancement of knowledge. 2. Systematic approach. Research follows a structured and organized approach, involving a clear methodology and procedures for data collection, analysis, and interpretation. 3. Empirical basis. Research relies on empirical evidence, which is information gathered through direct observation, experimentation, or data collection. This emphasis on facts and data distinguishes research from mere opinion or speculation. 4. Originality. Research often aims to contribute original insights or findings to a particular field of study. While it may build upon existing research, it strives to generate new knowledge. 5. Critical thinking. Researchers critically evaluate existing literature, theories, and methodologies. They analyze data objectively, apply critical thinking skills, and draw meaningful conclusions. 6. Ethical considerations. Ethical principles are essential in research to ensure the rights and well-being of participants, maintain research integrity, and uphold professional standards. 7. Replicability. Research methods and findings should be presented in a way that allows others to replicate the study to verify its results or test the same hypotheses. 8. Interdisciplinary nature. Research often draws from various disciplines, incorporating knowledge and methods from different fields to address complex questions. 9. Continuous process. Research is an ongoing and iterative process, frequently leading to additional questions and further research. Let us now discuss key characteristics of research. 1. Systematic approach. Research follows a structured and systematic methodology, involving well-defined steps and procedures. 2. Purposefulness. Research is conducted with a clear and specific purpose or objective, often framed as a research question or hypothesis. 3. Empirical basis. Research relies on empirical evidence, which is information obtained through direct observation, experimentation, or data collection. 4. Originality. Research aims to contribute new insights, knowledge, or solutions to a particular field. It emphasizes creativity and innovation. 5. Critical thinking. Researchers critically evaluate existing literature, theories, and methodologies. They analyze data objectively and draw meaningful conclusions. 6. Ethical considerations. Ethical principles and guidelines are essential in research to protect the rights and well-being of participants and maintain research integrity. 7. Replicability. Research methods and findings should be presented in a way that allows others to replicate the study to verify its results or test the same hypotheses. 8. Interdisciplinary nature. Research often draws from various disciplines, incorporating knowledge and methods from different fields to address complex questions. 9. Continuous process. Research is an ongoing and iterative process, with results often leading to further questions and additional research. Dear viewer, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of research? A. To express personal opinions. B. To gather empirical evidence and discover new knowledge. C. To entertain and engage readers. D. To promote a specific ideology. Correct answer is to gather empirical evidence and discover new knowledge. Question 2. What does the term empirical mean in the context of research? A. Based on personal opinions. B. Based on direct observation, experimentation, or data collection. C. Based on intuition. D. Based on beliefs and ideology. Correct answer is B. Based on direct observation, experimentation, or data collection. Question 3. Research often seeks to contribute A. Subjectivity. B. Repetition. C. Originality. D. Opinion-based analysis. Correct answer is C. Originality. Question 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of research? Purposeful, replicable, non-systematic, continuous. Correct answer is C. Non-systematic. Question 5. In research, what is the significance of a systematic approach? It ensures biased results. B. It enhances creativity. C. It provides a structured and organized process. D. It prioritizes personal beliefs. Correct answer is C. It provides a structured and organized process. Q6. Research often draws from multiple disciplines. This characteristic is known as empirical. B. Interdisciplinary. C. Replicable. D. Subjective. Correct answer is B. Interdisciplinary. Question 7. Which of the following best describes research ethics? To manipulate data for desired outcomes. B. To promote subjectivity in research. C. To ensure the integrity of the research process and protect participants' rights. D. To disregard the well-being of participants. Correct answer is C. To ensure the integrity of the research process and protect participants' rights. Question 8. What is the overarching goal of research? A. To prove existing theories. B. To gather data for personal use. C. To generate new knowledge or insights. D. To promote subjectivity. C. To generate new knowledge or insights. Question 9. Research is often an ongoing process because A. It has no defined goals. B. Researchers prefer not to conclude their studies. C. New questions may arise from the research findings. D. It lacks structure. Correct answer is C. New questions may arise from the research findings. Question 10. Which term refers to the process of conducting research in an unbiased and impartial manner? A. Objectivity. B. Subjectivity. C. Biasness. D. Prejudice. Correct answer is A. Objectivity. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.